up, y'all? It's your girl Mo of all things MoElle. Welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited for today's video because we are going to be trying out the newest styling product from one of my favorite brands, Nature's Little Secret. This has been a long anticipated product, a long anticipated launch, and I got my hands on it, so I'm going to be giving you guys all the deets about this product, my first impressions, and we're going to see how it does for a wash and go for me. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. But of course, before we get into it, I would love to have you as part of the MoElle-ian fam. So if you have not already, please take a moment, go down and hit that subscribe button. And while you're down there, hit the notification bell so that you will not miss when I post new uploads. So, y'all, Nature's Little Secret has come out with a gel. Now, I know they already had the flaxseed styler. I personally have never tried that one just because me and flaxseed stylers we have a love-hate relationship. But when I found out that they were going to be launching a gel, I knew I wanted to get my hands on it because honestly, I have loved every single Nature's Little Secret product that I have ever tried, and I just had to try this gel. So if you have not heard, the newest product to Nature's Little Secrets collection is their Okra Curl Defining Gel that is made with okra extract. That is what she looks like. It is 8 ounces, and I'm not exactly sure how much it's going to retail for because I got it before the official launch, so I'm not sure how much it's going to be, but I'm planning to have this video up the day that it launches, so I'll be sure to put the price in the description box. And I'm also going to leave a coupon code because I be liking to help the people out, okay? So I do have a Nature's Little Secret link and a coupon code that you can use to pick up some of your favorites from Nature's Little Secret, as well as the gel if you decide that you want to try it out based on my review. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So it's news to me that okra actually has so many benefits to your hair. According to the label, okra contains vitamins A, C, and K, which are great for the overall health of your hair and scalp. This also says that okra has a high mucilage content, which helps to create defined shiny curls. It also has great antibacterial properties. So this curl defining gel will leave your curls bouncy and defined while providing a lasting hold. So we gonna see, because it's the end of May. You guys know I live in Georgia. You guys know how this Georgia weather is. So I typically look for a gel that does have a pretty strong hold for my spring and summer wash and goes because I want them to last. Some other notable ingredients of this product include distilled water, which is infused with the okra extract, aloe leaf juice, marshmallow root, avocado oil, maltodextrin, agave, sesame seed oil, and then there is fragrance, a preservative. Not too many ingredients. Of course, it is sulfate free, paraben free, no formaldehyde, no silicones, no artificial colors, no DEA, no phthalates, and no animal testing. As far as the directions, it says after cleansing and conditioning your hair, you're supposed to apply either the banana leave-in from Nature's Little Secret or the avocado moisture cream. I did go ahead and put the banana leave-in on when I was in the shower. This is the old packaging, by the way. They have updated the packaging since I purchased this one, but love this stuff so much, so I applied this in the shower. It says that it's optional, but you can follow up with the herbal hair and scalp oil. I don't think I'm going to put that on. And then it says split hair into small sections and apply the okra curl defining gel to soaking wet hair. Use your fingers to rake, smooth, and or shingle each section after applying the gel. Re-wet the section if necessary. And then it says for best results, diffuse or sit under a hooded dryer to set the hair. Air drying is optional. It says that you are not to touch your hair while it's drying until it's fully dry and set. This can also be used to slick down edges, a bun, or ponytails. So I kept this little cap on just because I noticed that the directions said that your hair needed to be wet for this product. Now I do have my bottle of warm water here just in case I need to re-wet each section, but this is what my hair is looking like. And y'all have to excuse my voice and the nasalness, like still dealing with this congestion that I've been dealing with for what seems like all year. What my hair is looking like, so I'm going to do this wash and go just like I do all of my wash and goes, section by section, starting at the back. So of course, now that I'm sitting down to smell this for y'all, I can't smell it. Although when I took it out of the package yesterday, I remember that it did not smell like okra. It had a nice pleasant smell to it. Like, I can barely smell it right now, but I can't compare it to anything. But it has a nice smell and it does not smell like okra. All right, so we'll start with this size for the first section. I'm going to spray it down with a little more water. Even though it's pretty wet, I just want to make sure I'm following the directions. You know how y'all do when somebody don't follow the directions on a product. Oh, so it's thick. It actually reminds me, the consistency just in my hands reminds me more of a cream than a gel, but let's see how it performs. Okay, so it's doing a pretty good job of defining my curls. It's not really weighing my hair down, which y'all know I typically like in a gel, just because, you know, it helps me to show off a little length when my hair is weighed down as far as a washing though is concerned. All right. So what the first section is looking like. So yeah, I'm just going to continue applying this throughout the rest of my head. I do like the way that the product is applying. It's gliding on pretty smoothly. It doesn't feel like it's drying my hair out. Like, you know how sometimes when you put a product on top of the leave-in that you have in, it makes your hair feel kind of like rubbery, like it doesn't feel as moisturized as it felt when you first put the leave-in in. Like, it's not doing that. So that's a good thing. That's a positive. Alright, you guys, so I am back to give you guys my final thoughts on this gel from Nature's Little Secret. Now, I have to go ahead and tell you guys that today is actually day 4 hair. It's day 4 hair, okay? I purposely wanted to show you guys, like, you know, how my dry results look before I stretched it, and then I wanted to wait a few days to really, like, give my full and complete thoughts on this product, you know, after giving myself time to be outside, be in the elements, because again, it is almost summertime, so it's hot outside. Not only was I outside, I also got caught in the rain, and here we are, day 4 hair, and this is what my hair is looking like. So as you can see, there is some frizz in some areas, but for the most part, like, my hair is still pretty defined. It has a good mixture, honestly, of definition and volume to give me, you know, that more full look, which I actually like a lot now that my hair is shorter. I like it to look more full, so I actually really like how my hair looks right now. So yeah, let me go ahead and get into my thoughts. So I am able to smell now and honestly it smells good. Like, it doesn't have like a super distinct smell, like it doesn't remind me of anything else. It just smells like your typical like styling cream. Like, it doesn't smell fruity like a lot of Nature's Little Secrets products smell. Yeah, it just has a nice light pleasant smell. It doesn't linger though. Like, I haven't really smelt it in my hair at all. So I like the smell. Application wise, I really did like how this product applied. It has an interesting consistency because it kind of reminds me of a custard, but it's more moisturizing than a custard is. It's like in between a cream and a custard consistency, in my opinion. It is thick but not so thick to where it doesn't apply easily. It actually spread really nicely throughout my hair. I didn't have to work too hard to get it evenly distributed throughout my strands. It also wasn't so thick to where I was fighting to get the product in. I feel like sometimes gels can be like that. They can be so thick to where your hair gotta be like literally drenched with water in order for the product to evenly distribute. My hair was pretty wet, but again, I wasn't like fighting against the product to get it evenly spread throughout my hair. I was getting a little bit worried when I was applying it because I know that I like strong hold, extreme definition gels, and at first when I was applying this, like, it just was not like coating my strands the way I would want a gel to coat it, to like really weigh my hair down so that I can get that good hold, that good definition and longevity out of the style. But even though it wasn't really weighing my hair down, I still feel like I got great results. As far as how it dried, I did have a cast when my hair dried, but it was not crunchy at all. So if you're the type of person that likes a crunchy wash and go, you're not really going to get that with this. And I was pretty heavy-handed with the products and still had a noticeable cast. It just wasn't crunchy. And then even now, like, my hair is completely soft. It's also not dry, which I am very happy about, because some gels, like, a few days go by and your hair is parched. Not with this gel, and I don't know if it's the combination of that banana leave-in with the gel, but my hair still looks and feels hydrated and moisturized, which I really appreciate. And then, like I said, you can kind of see how defined it is now versus how defined it was when it first dried. So this is what days of wear has gotten me, and I still have pretty good definition, and I feel like I could still get maybe 2 to 3 more days out of this style before I have to wash. And I'm going to be honest too, as far as my nighttime maintenance, because your girl has been lazy. All that I've really been doing for the last few nights is putting my bonnet on. Like, I didn't even band it, I didn't pineapple it, I just threw my bonnet on. And then when I got up this morning, because I actually had to go somewhere today, I just stretched out my roots with my blow dryer just to give me a little more length. But other than that, that's it. Like, I haven't reapplied any more products. I just hadn't had to really do anything. So I am satisfied. I am very satisfied with this gel. It is one that I'm going to continue to use. It's one that I recommend, especially if you are the kind of person that likes to use gel to style your hair, but you don't necessarily want all those harsh ingredients that can come in other gels that we all like, or that I like. Just saying. So if you're the type of person that wants a gel product, but you're worried about ingredients, like, this is the perfect product for you. If you are somebody who likes a great balance between volume and definition, this is a great product for you. If you want hold without your hair feeling like it's going to break off when you touch it because it's so crunchy, this is the product for you. Highly, highly recommended for your wash and goes. I would even use this for a braid out or a twist out because it's not super crunchy when it dries. I would even use it for a style like that. Yeah, I just feel like this gel is a winner. So shout out to Nature's Little Secret, because y'all did that. Okay, I am a fan. I'm just a fan, and I highly recommend this gel. So yeah, I'm interested in knowing if you guys are planning to pick this up. It actually drops today, Today is June 3rd, so it'll be going on sale today. I got a link for you in my description box if you want to pick it up, as well as a coupon code to get you some coin off. So yeah, if you're interested in picking it up, then go ahead and check that out. But yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in this gel. Let me know what you guys think about the results. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and found it informative. If you did, please be sure to leave your girl a thumbs up because those really do help my channel out a lot. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!